Alright, look. Duskblade of Drakthar gives you attack damage, ability haste, and lethality. It also has a passive where every 15 seconds your next basic attack against any enemy champion deals bonus damage and slows them by a lot briefly. Also, if the enemy champ dies within 3 seconds of you attacking them, not only does it reset the first part of the passive, but you turn invisible for a second and a half. Mythic passive for this one is bonus ability haste for each legendary item you get. Eclipse gives you attack damage, lethality, and omnivamp. The passive on this one lets you do bonus % max health damage if you hit an enemy with 2 attacks within a second and a half window. It also gives you move speed and a shield for 2 seconds. The cooldown on this passive is 8 seconds for melees and twice as long for ranged champs. Mythic passive on this one gives you bonus armor pen for each legendary item you get. And Prowess Claw gives you attack damage, ability haste, and lethality. This one has an active that lets you dash to an enemy opponent. Not only does the dash do some damage, but for the next 3 seconds you do bonus damage to them. The cooldown on this one is 90 seconds, so use it wisely. Mythic passive on this one gives you more lethality for each legendary item you get. Nice, bye.